guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in the previous episode, you guys remember we put this thing back together. Now I have a suspension parts here, upper lower control arm, and what is it, spindle. Also I have this whole rack, but I only need inner and outer tie rod, and this back brace. So you can see from here the wheel is, look how much it's inside, and on the other side it's actually sticking out. Let's go show you. See how much it's actually sticking out here. So the brace is over there, it's damaged. So first thing what I wanted to do is replace the front suspension, be done with it. Airbags on the way, wheel is on the way, and the tires still haven't been purchased, but I'm gonna be buying that from Walmart and they're gonna install it. This is the cheapest place. This is Michelin tires, but Walmart have them in stock. So let's take care of the front suspension for today and rear suspension, and then when the airbag's gonna show up and the wheel, we're gonna finish the episode. But for right now, let's keep it rolling. Memory card actually was full, so while it was unloading on the computer we could not see it out, right? So I already went ahead and replaced the cover, or what is this, would you call, anyway, the teared the one over there and the airbag there, replaced the airbag, everything's good to go. I still need to replace this pretensioner, but I only can do that when I will able to raise the seat. In order to do that I need to install the seat. Also, as you guys can tell, I installed the airbag. That means airbags came in. Airbag came in, wheel came in. The wheel, I'm gonna have to fix it. It's not in great condition, but I still have to fix 2 more wheels. so that's exactly why I got it on discounted price. And also one airbag, two airbag. So these two airbags needs to go inside the vehicle. So first what I'm gonna do is install the driver and passenger seat. So it's gonna hook them up, replace the pretensioners, and while it's gonna be comfortable, gonna start taking the headliner apart. Sun visors first, DVD screens or monitors, rear one, middle one, and whatever it's on the way to drop the headliner. The what is it? Oh shit, handles. Handles on the roof, and install the airbags and put everything back together. Then replace something on the back of a truck, and then we're gonna have to deal with the electrical issues. We'll get to that one. We'll get to that. So there we have it. The interior is complete. Few things left for me to do, like a cover. I need to find the cover here, there, and in the front one. I don't remember where we put them. I mean, two vehicles all together. I don't know how I missed that, but I'll find them, no problem. You can see everything is done. It needs to be vacuumed a little and needs to be cleaned. Basically apply this leather shine, whatever that stuff is, and everything gonna be perfect. So right now on the steering wheel there's a couple buttons doesn't work. I want to take it apart and check it out what's wrong with it. Also I need to scan the vehicle and see what kind of issues does it have or doesn't have, and if airbag light will go off or not, and if not, what's the problem. Yeah, and then we can jump on the rear end, and basically after that we can start working on the rims, and this project gonna be done. Can't wait. Yukon is up in the air except one wheel, because one we have already purchased, so, and those wheels already out. Let's load them in the truck. Let's go drop them off so they can get fixed, powder coated, and we'll put them back and continue working on it. Their dent repair gonna do his magic. We're gonna buff it up a little. Yuri already clean it up inside, make it nice. Seat belts needs to be replaced because those ones was wrong ones, so yeah, not a whole lot left, but some stuff needs to be done anyway. Ta-da! 2019 GMC Yukon Denali XL. So you can see the whole vehicle buttoned up. It took them literally 2.5 months to fix those wheels and paint them. They were so busy, and again I was also busy, so I wasn't pushing them or anything. But tell me it's not look cool. But tell me that doesn't look cool. In my opinion, it does. White on the black rims looks so freaking beautiful. Let's just go around to show you that everything looks beautiful. Everything looks the way it's supposed to look. I mean, this was the easiest project that I did, and I cannot believe it's done finally. There was some issues waiting on those wheels, like I said, and some other things, my business, and so on. But check it out. I love those escalate lights on the back. I'm glad somebody replaced it before I got this body. But man, oh man, oh man, there are few things on it that I'm gonna have to fix. I will drop it off at the dent repair. He'll go through it. I'll buff it out. While it was sitting, somebody scratched it somehow. I don't know what they did, but it looks like it's some kind of I would say plastic stuff or whatever that was. I don't know, but that can be easily buffed out. Let me show you the interior. A lot of you don't like this trim. Unfortunately, I will have to stick to it because the dashboard was destroyed and the trim on it was destroyed. So I want the trim match with the rest of the car. I kind of don't like it as well, but I will live with it, and I'm pretty sure whoever gonna buy this SUV they're not gonna even notice or know the difference. But hey, that's how it is. Sometimes you just have to swallow some things. Steps came out, and man, oh man, oh man, look at this. Let's go to the back. Oh, beautiful. Somebody will have a nice SUV for themselves with the low miles. We have 2 screens, and with that we also have 4 headphones, 2 used and 2 new. But unfortunately I only have 1 remote. I don't know if this vehicle is supposed to have 2 remotes or just 1. I'm so happy. This project will go for sale. That will free up some money for me to do some other projects or to start saving for the shop finally. I have been working on my backyard land, flooding it out my hill because I want to build a big shop, and so far there's not a whole lot of process because I'm busy with this. So that's how it is. We'll deal with it. Let me just finish showing you what I got here. It's just freaking insane. Looks nice. I am super happy that I'm done with this project. I mean, not all the way, still have to trace the airbag issue. I kind of know what's the problem is, and I already did couple things on it. I thought there's bad clock spring, which is right here. I replaced the other one and didn't fix the issue. So I think there's some kind of issue with the wiring that goes from here to there. I will have to take this panel off again, take the steering wheel off and diagnose. I think there's some kind of either breakage going on, maybe even fuse. Why? I always try to chase the hardest part without checking the easiest part. But that's how it is. Sometimes I'm just overthinking, guys, and just getting overwhelmed, and then I go to the easiest step and check on it, and that turns out what it is. This project for you guys is done. It's not gonna go on the channel no more. As soon as I will finish the airbag light, I'll go to do alignment on it, and this thing will go for sale. Thank you for being with me throughout this process. Appreciate your guys' support. Never thought in my life this is gonna be interesting for you guys. Super stoked that it was. And to the next one, right? The next one, I'm pretty sure you guys gonna like it. It's a 100,000 subscriber celebration vehicle that I purchased 2 years ago. Stick around to see what it is. I'll catch you next one.